Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Today is day number 22 and our sketch today is by Allison Crosgard. It is a one photo sketch and I have my one photo here. And it is a band across the center. It looks like the photo is here. There's some pattern paper on either side with some embellishment clusters. And it looks like maybe some journaling strips down at the bottom. You know me. I'll follow it, but I don't know that I will follow it to a T. We'll see where it goes once it starts going. So, because it is an Allison Davis day, for me, a 6x6 day, I decided I'm going to pull in my kit that I have put together for that. Now, I added this paper pad in the other day so that I could do some 6x6 for Mad for Minis and using the same kit, but changed up the papers just a little bit. So I still have four or five full-size sheets in here. I don't know how, I have more than that I think in here, maybe 6 or 7. There's quite a few more. So I'm going to work on, these are all scraps and then these are my solid papers back here. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9, but I think 8. I'm going to see what I can do with this paper pad since it is Allison Davis that I'm channeling today. If you will. I have tons of embellishments in here. I have some wood veneer. I have some previously punched circles. I have an ephemera pack. I have washi tape and sequins. And down in here, there's all sorts of stickers. Like this is a leftover sticker sheet from multiple different collections. I know this was Basic Gray. And I don't know who the rest of this is from. I really don't. I think these are like the 7 Gypsies. Some of those, I think maybe those are from there. Maybe. I wouldn't swear to it. These were from a little pack that I got maybe at Michael's. I don't remember. I have lots of the 7 Gypsies in here. I have some Brads. I have hearts and puffy stickers and bling. There's a scrap of paper. I have some stamps and I have some dimensional stickers. I have a more enamel dots and puffy stickers there. I have a kit from Freckled Fawn, a full kit plus some additional alphabets. There's some more acrylic shapes. There's some more of those little sticker sheets, more dimensional stickers, another sticker sheet, another sticker sheet, another sticker sheet, more sticker sheets. You can see I have loaded up this kit with tons of stickers for really any occasion because I didn't know what I was going to use it for. There's an alphabet set and I have a second one of these in here in case I need it. And there's the alphabets on there. And then there's that second alphabet and then those are all of my empties that I've put down in there, all my packaging. So this is where I'm starting. These are the paper and supplies, plus I have my original leftover kits that I have around me. I have plenty of those to work with if I choose to, but this is where I'm starting. This is what I want to focus on, is using this paper pad and the embellishments that are in this kit. I pulled out a piece of White Daisy Close to My Heart cardstock for my stash as my background, and if you will give me a second, I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 22. Yeah, day 22 is done. I did use the original paper pack that I pulled into my little kit, and it is the Heidi Swapp Dreamy line, and I used one full sheet and then a portion of a scrap, a couple of scraps of paper actually. So that's what I have to go back in. The other one I didn't use. I did use these washi tapes. Let me put those with the other one. I used these washi strips. I used one full piece here and then a portion of the piece here. I used a piece of chipboard from here. I used a sticker from this sticker sheet. I used a couple of stickers, the corner stickers from here. And I think a little label here. I used one label from here. I used the other portion of that label. I used a piece of a word from here, and I used a sticker from here, and and a couple from here. I used this heart. There's a flower shape and another heart. I used all of those on the layout. And I did use sequins. I did use a couple of different enamel, faceted enamel or acrylic pieces, and then enamel dots. So a little bit from each of those packs. I did use both of my sets of this alphabet, of this font, to create my title, and then my journaling I did with this. And I used this last sticker sheet. Oh, probably, I think I got two. No, 1, 2, 3. That was all from this one, just the little house stickers that were here. And here is the layout that I created. Now this one, if you have not seen yesterday's layout, I would encourage you to go over and see that one, because that one is the one that's probably going to be in the album next to this, because the memory goes together. It was the same day, same time, all of that. But I had 5 photos in that last set, and I didn't want to not have this photo along with it. So since the last sketch called for a 4-photo sketch, so let me move this down some. And you can see this is yesterday's. None of them are the same papers anywhere. I don't have the same papers on any part of it. But these from the Heidi Swap on this side match the randomness of these as well. So they'll work side by side in the album together. There's some coordinating elements on each page. Not too much, but I mean, it works for what I needed it to. Anywho, so today's layout is done. Yesterday's is complete. They're both ready for the album. And I will have close-ups of all of these photo clusters together at the end. And then I'll have a photo of these two together at the very end of that. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on tomorrow's layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.